The 2026 FIM World Supersport Championship UK round at Donington Park once again delivered an intense battle from start to finish. Amid the dominance of the established manufacturers, the spotlight remained on EASTROC ZXMOTO Evan Bro's factory and its lead rider, Valentin Debise, who once again demonstrated that the ZXMOTO 820RR has the pace to compete at the highest level. Starting race 2 from 8th on the grid, Debise charged aggressively from the opening laps. The French rider maintained a strong race pace while steadily closing the gap to the leading group. Locked in close battles with Yamaha, Ducati, Triumph, and Kawasaki riders, Debise remained in contention for a top 5 finish throughout much of the race. However, Donington Park's notoriously difficult overtaking opportunities made every position hard-earned, did not fully reflect his true performance. The lap times told a very different story. Debise set the fastest lap of the race with a blistering 1:28.850, becoming the only rider to break into the 1:28 range during race 2. Remarkably, his fastest lap was quicker than those recorded by every podium finisher, highlighting the ZXMOTO 820RR's outstanding outright speed and proving the bike remains one of the most competitive machines in the WorldSSP field. The ZXMOTO package also impressed in terms of outright performance. Debise recorded a top speed of 250.6 km/h, matching Ducati and trailing only Yamaha, the fastest manufacturer on the speed charts. The data further confirmed that the ZXMOTO 820RR has continued to evolve into a highly competitive package capable of challenging the championship's leading contenders. On the other side of the garage, teammate Federico Caricasulo finished 18th, leaving Debise once again as the team's primary point scorer. Despite the difficult race, Debise retained second place in the 2026 WorldSSP Riders' Championship with 209 points, remaining behind Albert Arenas while still holding an advantage over Jaume Masia. Debise's consistency has also strengthened ZXMOTO's position in the manufacturer's standings. Following the Donington Park round, ZXMOTO sits third with 211 points, just a single point behind Triumph. Meanwhile, EASTROC ZXMOTO Evan Bro's factory has accumulated 236 points, maintaining its place among the championship's leading teams. Debise also continues to lead the Pirelli Best Lap Award standings with 5 fastest lap honors, further cementing his reputation as one of WorldSSP's premier qualifying and outright pace specialists.